To bende riwruoge mago mabende kedo ne ratich oganda mawuok e pinje mag East Africa kaachiel kod Afrika mano mangima jowuok oko kendo gikwedo malich mokalo chal mano mar telo kaachiel kod chike mano mabende nitiere piny Uganda kocha. Kane gitwa kod jofwamb weche ne giwacho kanyo ni okang' mano mabende ne okaw mano mar loro ute fwambo kaachiel kod ndhiyo gilal gi oganda aoya e piny Uganda kono en gino mano mabende ok ni kare kata matin. Ibiro paro kanyo ne piny Uganda iseyo kod mano mabende itudo gi kanyo mar ndhiyo kaachiel kod lal gi oganda mawuok e pinyno aoyae.
Press and Journalists Act establishes the professional and regulatory framework for media practice. These instruments, read with the Constitution, establish a closed legal system in which regulatory and enforcement authority over licensed media rests solely with the civilian statutory bodies. Accordingly, any interference outside this framework raises serious concerns of unlawful assumption of authority, administrative irregularity, and constitutional non-compliance.
Random tweets on X and reported interventions attributed to senior military leadership, including the Chief of Defense Forces, in matters within the executive competence of civilian institutions and statutory regulators. Across Uganda, these developments have generated growing concern that the constitutional boundary between civilian authority and military command risks being blurred in practice.
It is within our mandate to identify and articulate prima facie constitutional and legal concerns arising within the framework of our national, regional, and international obligations. In this regard, we reaffirm a fundamental principle of constitutional governance. No public authority, including security institutions, regulatory bodies, or administrative actors, may exercise coercive, regulatory, or enforcement powers except under clear and express authority of the Constitution or written law.